Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today our group will discuss about nature suggestion about Nature Week in our school. Okay. First, Nurin Masara.
Okay, firstly, I would suggest we organize a tree planting activity for our Nature Week. There are so many advantages that we could gain from tree planting activities, such as trees contribute to the environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, preserving soil, and more other. It is better for us if we can plant more trees in the land that is empty and idle. I think this activity is suitable to be held in our campus area.
Okay, second, Linda.
In my opinion, we can organize a forest in conjunction with the Nature Week ahead. We must set a date and advertise it. Use whatever tool you want and your friends prefer to create a central online planning hub. Next, organize guest sharing. If all that info is organized in one central, it's easy to see everyone's needs and plan how you'll collectively fill them. Thirdly, try to reasonably determine everyone's capabilities and plan something that everyone attends should be able to achieve. That's only.
Okay, we go to Alexandrina.
In my opinion, we can make a visit to the national park in conjunction with the Nature Week ahead. This is because students will be able to create a sense of love for the environment within themselves when visiting the national park. I choose Taman Negara Similajau as a destination. The park has many unique features, not only in terms of facilities offered, but also many valuable nature treasures that students can explore. In addition, the park has one of the beautiful beach areas with impeccable white sand beaches. This visit will bring many benefits. One of the benefits is students can learn about the flora and fauna of hundreds of species. They may also see species that they have never seen before. Students will also be more committed to preserving nature treasures so that they are not destroyed. With this visit, students will appreciate the nature of the world. That's all.
Okay, we go to Atira.
In my opinion, we can organize a recycling day during the Nature Week. This activity can help to reduce the pollution caused by waste. On the recycling day, students will be explained about reduce, reuse, and recycle. They will be taught how to sort waste according to their type. We can also organize building monument competition for waste material. This competition can encourage creative and innovative thinking among students. This competition also avoids students to wasting by using waste materials such as bottle, paper, and plastic. In a nutshell, I think this activity is very suitable to be held in nature.
What about you, Ed?
Okay. I'm really appreciate the idea you all give, but for my opinion, I disagree with your point. This is because students are already exposed to environment awareness such as biology subjects, and they are also often involved in environment camping and activity. This may result in students being less or less interesting in the activity. So I propose to hold environment competition to attract more students to participate. The for the example is we can do make a video clip, blog fun contents, weird masks, and debate games. In addition, To attracting many students, this activity can also encourage students to become more aware of the environment and instill student interesting in the environment.
Okay. As a conclusion, I agree with Akira because with the cycle we can save more rubbish in the world that can treating the animal. Then recycle the rubbish can make our country more clean. Furthermore, recycling is more efficient and save cost and our time if compared to campaign, visit national park and tree planting. So, as a student, we must have self awareness of recycling in our yes. So that is why I choose recycling for the nature week. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.